Hey, hello again. I just wanted to share this thunderstorm with you. It's coming around. I thought it was going north, but it's circling. It's a light show. Sounds like there's a little hail in it, but I don't see any. But I can hear it, or they're awful heavy raindrops. It's talking to us. I think you can hear that rain. Slowing down. Coming right on top of us, I think. It's gonna be time to get off the porch. I love these thunderstorms. I just don't like that hail. Don't like the hail and the wind. We're getting a little breeze with this one, but not real bad. Just off and on. Dropping us a nice little shower. I don't know why we have so much hail. But dang, every storm brings a little. Brings a nice light show. Here comes a heavier rain. All right, well, have a good one. I'm going to get in out of this. It's getting right on top of us. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless.